You look inside here.
No, you didn't. You
I don't know if you can see in the camera. Yep, you see right. Maybe that's just 22. There is a little tag in there that you have to press with a long thing. There's one down there, it's a little shorter. There's one on that side. And when you get all three of those, it'll pop this out of here.
Yes.
So what we did, this was the old one. If Erica can see it correctly. So the old one only had reset and trip, nothing else on it. Now the new one we just installed has all of these on it.
And cruise control.
And cruise control. So what needed to happen was that you needed to get this off first. Once you get that off, also little trick by the way. You open up this, go to the trunk. Where's the little trick? I'm gonna make a little tutorial super quick. This is for a Hyundai Elantra 2017. 10A is the alarm / the horn. We took that out.
Focusing.
10A is this one. Actually, that's not the one we took out, did it? Was it? It's that one right there. So that's how you turn off the horn. So pro tip, turn off the horn first.
Then you don't make the neighbors mad.
Yeah, and a lot of cars come with this little clippy clip. It comes right there. You just pull it out, and you can use it to clip things. The first thing you do to get this apart is if you look here, you see these little orange tabs. You have to pull them up on both sides, and they're a little bit hard to get out.
Very difficult.
Very difficult to get out. Yeah, sorry.
I think the sound effects help though.
Yeah, I think so too. Anyway.
Yeah.
It's hard to get out. Once you get these out, you can take this off. We did it. Proof is that we got this installed at some point. Then you gotta take this off. The old wire harness, which should be somewhere around here, on top of the roof probably.
Yeah, that one right there.
That one. That goes right here. What came in our little handy dandy box of genuine Kia Hyundai parts,
Probably from Korea.
definitely from Korea, was this little doohickey here. You gotta take this off with just like that, or you gotta...
The trick is to do it 8 times.
Back and forth over and over again. Take it off. All of this will come off. The entire steering column will come off. Not column, sorry, steering wheel will come off. You just gotta replace that with the new one, and you can put the wires correctly in there. Once you have that, this pops in nice and easy. You gotta plug it all in to the back. Make sure there's no thing that isn't plugged in. And then you just put it all together. Yay! And that has a
cruise control.
Now
has a car.
Has a car that works. Now we're just gonna put everything back together. So, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. But we probably won't answer you. So, good luck.
Nope.
Sorry.
Too busy driving the car.
Also, we only do it with Hyundai. This is the only one we've ever done it with. So, I am in no wise, or we are in no wise, an expert. As you can see, as I'm fiddling with this, as I can't get it plugged in. It fit in so nice the first time. What happened?
We took it out again.
Took it out again. That's what happened. It's dumb. Anyway. That's why, because this little plastic thing. So you got to get these cords underneath this thing, push it down, and then it'll go in nicely.
And that's why you take out the horn fuse.
Yeah, it doesn't do it anymore. So yeah, this works just fine. Now we got to screw everything back in.
Ooh!
Yay. Also, one last thing. Ours, there's supposed to be 2 of these. Yeah. Ours didn't have it, so we had to punch a hole through it in order to unscrew the screw that was there. Actually, now that I think about it, we're going to have to take this off again and put the screw back.
Oh, gosh.
So, be aware when you're doing that for your car. Have a great one.